Hi, here's a sort of important update on the Speak Up method. I am Terje Nordkvølle, and welcome to this podcast where I go a little deeper than I do in the videos. The last part of the Speak Up method is using the I wonder method, which is a version of visualizing. I have been testing, and I think it's a good idea to move this segment up to the top of the Speak Up method. So, what is the I wonder method? Well, visualizing is often used if we think about the law of attraction. You visualize and you feel the joy of having the thing you haven't gotten yet, right? You live in that vibration and that energy. And the theory is that then you attract the thing you want. I struggle with that. I find it fake, and my inner critic and blocks pop up immediately and tell me, no, this is not real. You don't have it. So the joy you're trying to feel now is fake. And part of me thinks they're kind of right, you know? I don't have it. I try to feel the joy, but it feels a little hollow. So the I wonder method is, instead of feeling the joy and pretending to have it already, you ask yourself this following question: I wonder what it feels like to have it. So the big difference here is actually a tiny one, but it makes a big difference. You're not trying to convince yourself that you have it. You are wondering what it feels like to have it. I wonder what it feels like to have a loving relationship. And then you close your eyes and you're just curious. And then images and mini videos may play in your mind, right? And you're just observing it and being curious to what it would feel like to have that. And when you do that, your inner critics, your blocks cannot stop you, because you're just wondering. You're not claiming to have it. You're wondering. You're allowed to wonder. So that's, and for me anyway, an easier version of visualizing. And up until now, this I wonder method has been down at the bottom after you do the speak up method, the speak up sentences. But I've been testing with moving it up on top, because what happens then is that you wonder, right? And you feel the joy, and you see these movies in your head, and you feel great because, this must be great to have. And if you speak your intention, you use the speak up method, after that, then you manifest from that vibration of those movies and those images. And that makes sort of sense to me, that it's a smart thing to do. To speak my intention is that I am experiencing, the whole method there, just after you have wondered what it would feel like. So that's the update, and I would recommend you test it. You will get the answer to how effective this is in your heart and in your soul. You will immediately know if this makes sense or not. Maybe it's not important. I don't have any data to support this. I haven't tested it that thoroughly, but it makes sense to me to speak up from that vibration of having that thing. So if you want to learn the whole speak up method, just check out my website. The link is down below. And may I share something really cool with you also? It's not connected to anything I just said, but I'm looking at it right now. So I'm in an apartment I rented an apartment in my favorite town of Coraleco in Fuerteventura. I'm here for a month. And there are some, I think they're ants, but they're so small, I can't tell what they are, but they're small creatures. And they're in the kitchen, and it's not a big problem as long as I don't get them in my food. You know, they have their lives and try to survive, right? I have mine and I try to survive. And I left some food out, and now they were also on my table where I sit, and I don't want them there. So it was a lot of them, and I and I tried, and I thought, let me try this. And I said to them, "Hey guys, I need you to leave the table. I need you to go away from the table. I eat here, I work here. I don't want you on this table. I'm giving you 10 minutes. I know this sounds crazy. I'm giving you 10 minutes to leave." And I said, this is, and I did the thing, in the best interest of all. And I really don't want to hurt them, but I don't want them in my food and inside my computer or wherever they will go. So 10 minutes later, what do you think happened? Yes. Not all of them are gone, but 70% of them are gone. Do you think it's a coincidence? I don't know. But there's so many coincidences. So I will give them that there's still maybe a 7 or 10 left. I will give them a last warning, and I will say, okay, now I'm cleaning the table with you on it if you don't move. Talking to ants or whatever they are. They're so tiny. They're the size if you had a pencil and just made a dot on a piece of paper. Yeah, that's small. Yeah. Okay, just wanted to share that. We live in a mysterious, magical world if we open up for it. Okay, my friend, thank you for your attention, and we'll talk soon.